Hey guys, Silva here and welcome all to my Done For You Social review. Alright, I've got the product here right in front of my double eyes. It's really blue light protection. My eyes are actually fine, thank God. Right, anyhow, so this is the members area. I'll show you around. This is the newest launch, guys, by James Renouf and Max Gerstenmeyer. He's from Germany, so I pronounce it in the German way, so to speak. All right, so here is the sales page, guys. Go check it out for yourselves. Okay, it's the newest launch by those two guys again, and those two guys have together around 2 decades of experience, super experienced vendors. Okay, so this is a Warrior Plus launch, obviously. That's James Renouf, so his newest launch will be Done For You Social, obviously. Oh my goodness, it's taking time to load it up. I am running out of patience, but well, anyhow, I feel like I am a little bit short-tempered today. One of those days. I believe it's because the weather has been really, it sucks basically in London. There's like literally no summer. We had like a heat wave of 2 weeks in sort of like late June, and that's about it. The summer is over. It feels like, the winter is coming now. I don't know what's going on. Anyhow, let's hope it's gonna come back. Because, yeah, it's kind of like overcast. I think it just affects your brain, the lack of light, the lack of sunshine. And I feel like your body is sort of like programmed, and here is me talking about the weather, yeah. Like in the summer, it wants the warmth. It wants to load up on vitamin D and all of that. So when it's not getting that, it's like confused.com. But anyhow, so yeah, a decent vendor. James is a good vendor, James Renouf, and I like most of his products in general, and I especially like it because whenever he teams up with Max Gerstenmeyer, and most of the training has been put together by Max, and he delivers quality training courses, okay, guys? And this one is precisely about, it's sort of like a training course with a lot of done-for-you content in terms of like done-for-you video templates, stories for all sorts of social media accounts like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, this and that, YouTube, that you can then repurpose. And this is precisely the main focus of the training, is that you get all of done-for-you stuff, so to speak, to put it in simple terms, that you can then edit very easily, and it's all like shown to you in the training course. Okay, I'll show you the modules, quite a lot of content actually. And then you can like customize them using Canva. It's all like beautifully explained to you how to do it. And then you even, the videos are quite in depth, I must say. There's like, if I was to open all of them up, you'd see that each module has sub-modules, but I'm not gonna like open all of them up because it's just not fair on the vendors to reveal too much of the content. Okay, I have watched all of it this afternoon. It took me about almost 2 hours to go through everything, okay? So they will show you how to open various social media accounts in this module. Then you will have all of the done for you social media business. So it's really like a business in a box. And then how to repost a TikTok video to Instagram. And they will give you access to some cool apps, free apps that you can use for all this like reposting or repurposing those shorts, okay? Even the YouTube shorts into Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels or TikTok into, YouTube, and sort of like vice versa. So it's all demonstrated and explained clearly to you how to do that. And then they say no product, no problem, because basically, even if you are a complete newbie, and we do know what a struggle it may be for complete newbies to get actually accepted and approved by vendors, okay, for promoting their products, because vendors are very picky. They don't want any, they will not like take anyone on board, especially, experienced vendors, because especially if you have no sales to show for, they don't know what kind of affiliate they're dealing with. And that's sort of like fair enough, because easily some like newbies or some like scammy affiliates could send all sorts of rubbish traffic to their offers, and that would really mess up the metrics, the stats, the conversion rates, okay? And that's really not good. That's what the vendor is, the last thing a vendor wants. But with this product, once you've bought it, you've gone through it, and it can be like on all of those social media accounts, and they will show you how to customize those accounts, how to create a professional profile in all of them, okay? As if you have no accounts on social media, even then create some, okay, for business purposes, and you can totally open up new accounts, okay, and start from scratch. Even if you want to open up a new TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, where you have no friends, or because you don't want people to see what you're doing for business and stuff like that, you can totally start from scratch. And here you have the blueprint, okay? And then obviously the main thing is that, well, you'd need either your own product if you have one, or like a PLR maybe, or like a lead magnet. So at least you can grow your email list, but it's always smart to have some kind of good selling affiliate offer. And this is one of them. This is gonna be a very, very good selling. They're gonna make at least 1,000 sales, if not more, okay? And it is a very, very like, how shall I say it, sort of evergreen offer, because everybody's after this, like done for you stuff, social media, it's always trendy. And especially this one is to do with shorts. Shorts are trendy. People don't have the time or patience for watching long videos these days. Less and less. And that's just the reality, whether we like it or not. Okay, so it's gonna be the sought after method. A training everybody will be curious to check out and most likely buy. So you would be automatically approved even as a complete newbie, and given a chance to promote this product using all kinds of social media accounts, and you will have done for you videos, stories, and then even and many, many more, okay? Like just posts, okay? So cool posts in make money online niche, that is, and then they will show you how to build a landing page using get response, which is, you can create a free account, you can create one good, like countless opt-in pages obviously with the free account, but one landing page as well, you can create it for free with a free account. And then you will have a lot of done for you social media follow-ups as well, because then as you start growing your list via your opt-in page or this landing page, you will be adding people to your list. And then you have this, product here that you would be sending your leads to, okay, and you can follow up with them. Okay, and you're gonna have a lot of email follow-ups here. So you've got the templates, you've got the swipes, everything you need. And then bonus giveaway rights to our products. Yes, so you will get those here as well. And done for you social promotional graphics, all of the graphics you will have here. And this is a very good interview between with Max and James. It's like half an hour almost interview. Very good, okay? To do mainly with mindset. They share the journey as well, how they started. And like, you should never be put off by lack of success as you start for the first few months or even years, guys. Even years, okay? Like, switch into the marathon mindset and just... say to yourself, like, there's no giving up. Change the route if you have to, switch the niche if you have to, or whatever, but never give up. Keep pushing and, you know, get into this creating creative beast mode. Okay, once you start, yeah, it's gonna be like, it's infectious. It's super infectious. Once you start creating content, yeah, it's kind of like you cannot stop. You become unstoppable. And here are very good case studies of Max, and he's like, you know, he's got loads of followers on social media accounts. TikTok, I think his favorite one is TikTok, really. And here you'll have the upgrades, and then, you know, that's the welcome video. Here you will have more upgrades. Okay, so like, yeah, we'll check out the upgrades maybe later. Now let me show you also my bonuses, guys. Okay, bonus number 1, just let's go straight to the point, is how to customize your YouTube channel. Okay, especially if you open up a new YouTube channel, you need to know how to customize it, how to optimize it before you can even start dreaming about ranking. Okay, do that first, do it the right way. It's a video done by me. Okay, it's a beginner's guide for 2023. Guys, I know how to customize a YouTube channel. My YouTube SEO score is normally 100%. Okay, so I do know a little bit about that. I think I know. Okay, so here's my tutorial, half an hour. You can have it as a bonus. Then you get access to all of free courses by Mark Has, like epic, you know, like courses, effortless video editing, desktop vertical video, again, very relevant to this offer, even how to create shorts using your desktop, so not your phone like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, they're gonna look very professional, your videos. And ultimate Facebook traffic trick, very cool course as well, how to create a group, a Facebook group that's more like a search engine, not just another, you know, standard Facebook group. So very unique one. Then I'm gonna also give you access to the thumbnail creator by Max Gerstenmeyer. That's his product, actually. He gave me as a bonus to my buyers. Okay, if you decide to pick it up via the link, via my affiliate link in the description box, I am totally promoting this product. Okay, so you get access to that as well. Of course, you can use Canva to create thumbnails. I use Canva too, but this is a very unique, a different way of creating very original looking thumbnails, different from Canva. Okay, so yeah, you may want to try it out as well. All right, so have we covered everything? All right, so you know, on the sales page, they say done for you social, tons of eyeballs, no sweat, bang bang, finally a complete high converting done for you product that gives you crazy views, profits with no money out of pocket except for the price of the front end, and then obviously the, you know, whatever upgrades you may want. Pretty cool upgrades they have as well, quite a few of them, but they're like, you know, good useful upgrades. Okay, with no content creation, no product creation, no guesswork and all of that. So please go through the sales page. If you wish to purchase it, just click on get instant access to done for you social. This product is going live tomorrow on the 26th of January. Oh my goodness, January. July. It feels like January actually, because it's so cold. You see, even my brain is like freezing. Yeah, so these are the vendors again. Guys, go for the sales page. I'm not gonna read through it because, you know, you can check it out for yourselves. Quite a, you know, a little bit too lengthy for my taste. I don't like lengthy sales pages, but, you know, whatever they say, they do cover, like, you know, what is in the training course, that you get this ready to use content and all of that. So yeah, I mean, they say as it is, so what can I say? Here's the funnel. OTO number 1 is, let me maybe show you here inside of Warrior Plus, and then, okay, you can pause this video and check out the prices, everything. Okay, so the front end, only $11, totally worth it, guys, totally worth it, okay, for what you're getting here. So yeah, then you will have a bump sale. This is like a trial for the first 3 days, $1 $1, and then 19 per month. So it's a subscription. Be aware of that. This bump offer. And then you will have OTR number 1, upgrade 49, upgrade number 2, 97, there will be downsell to it for 67, upgrade number 3, 49, am I reading it right? Mia numbers, yeah. Upgrade number 4, 97, there will be a downsell of 67, upgrade number 5, 49, and then there will be this like super funnel membership. It's a pricey one, guys, 497. And then there will be upgrade number 7 and 8. I mean, quite a few upsells, to be honest. I mean, I don't normally like long funnels, I'll be brutally honest. But I see like there's a lot of done-for-you stuff. There's a lot of like upsells on TikTok, which is also like a trendy, good platform to be on. So if you find something that, you know, you believe you would benefit from, like for example with the upsell number 1 is 1 year of done for you content, so that's a lot. Okay, so it's really done for you. It's for the lazy ones. Okay, well, if it's for you, then go grab it. If not, you can, after this, you can start creating your own content. But what you're getting here in the front end, the content you get will last you for about 2-3 months easily, because you get a lot of content. Okay, like video templates, posts and stories, all sorts of graphics. Okay, you will need to warm up your accounts, and we are talking about various social media accounts, not only Facebook, Instagram, but also like obviously TikTok, what else, YouTube, right? YouTube for YouTube Shorts. All right, lovely. So that's it, guys, for today. Remember, my bonuses are, you know, quite a cool, cute bundle of amazing bonuses, I have to say. And yeah, they're yours if you pick it up via the link below my review and in the description box. And yeah, if that's for you, go grab it and enjoy and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.